Everyone, welcome to Linkwell's introduction of one of our new fiber optic splicing closures. So this is actually the VLNK ECAM fiber optic closure. So we'll just kind of give a brief introduction and then some specifications, and then we will obviously open the box up so you guys can see what's in it, and we will also show later how to install it, how to splice the cables inside as well. So first of all, I'll just kind of tell you the general specifications of the box, and then we'll kind of go around, show you the basic installation methods, the various methods, and then we can go through to the more specific things as well for kind of business customers, etc. So first of all, I'll just show you kind of the general size of the box and the weight as well. So as you can see here, it's actually a very lightweight box. It's a very lightweight fiber optic closure. It's around 2 to 2.5 kilos in weight. In terms of the dimensions itself, as you can see, it's about 37 centimeters long, 37 centimeters by 21 centimeters, and then the kind of density or the thickness here is about kind of 15 centimeters. So it's kind of 37 by 21 by 15. If we were to kind of show the installation methods first, you do need to kind of flip the box on its upside down. And then as you can see here, there are three inserting terminals here. So there's two at the top and one at the bottom if you are wall mounting. So if you are going to be wall mounting this fiber optic closure, you just need to kind of pop the installation pegs here, just slide them on. So they do go on very simply. I'll just stand up there for the video, and they do just slide up as well simply. So you just kind of slide all three up, and then you are kind of just able to flip it around onto the wall, and you will be able to drill screws through to kind of insert the box or mounting it onto a wall. So that's the wall mount with a wall mounting option for the optics closure, and then this would be the pole version. So if you are just trying to kind of screw the box itself vertically onto a pole, this is kind of the way you would do it. It does come with two brackets, which you will be able to place on the box at two specific areas where there are screw holes, and then you will be able to just kind of screw in the screws here and tighten the box to your kind of needs on the pole. So this would be a vertical mount on a pole, and the other the other installation would be the pegs, the 3 peg mounting for the wall mount. So that's the two kind of installation options that we have with this VLNK ECAM box. And then as you could just see as well on the front of the box, here are all of the fast connector holes, the threaded fast connector holes on the front of the box. So as you can see here, we have already pre-installed one fast connector to give you the general idea of how kind of concise and simple it is to install cables into the box. And there's kind of multiple other threaded holes as well for kind of when you're doing a very large scale installation of the box. So at the moment we have one fast connector, but obviously if you are doing kind of a full project, obviously each of these holes will be filled with a fast connector. So that's kind of the general idea of the box. That's the basic dimensions, and then we'll kind of turn the box around and open it up so you guys can kind of see what's inside, and just to kind of give a general introduction to the fiber splicing within the box. So if you are going to pop the box open, you can just kind of, the most simple way is just to kind of take a screwdriver, pop it in one of the compartment holes here, and just twist out. So that will kind of make the doors of the compartment each just to pop down, and then you will be able to open the box itself. So you can just kind of do it. It's simple to do in field, or kind of if you are preparing the box and the cables to be spliced later. You just need to kind of pop the screwdriver in the hole, and then remove the 4 compartments on the side, and then you do need to unscrew or kind of loosen the screw on the top of the box. So as I just kind of unscrew slowly here, I'll try to do it a bit quicker for the video. You can just kind of get the general idea of how to unscrew and kind of get the compartment open for the box. So as I'm unscrewing, I will kind of talk about some of the general specifications as well. It is IP65. As you saw on the front of the box, there were 2 threaded holes as well with kind of a rubber casing. So now I've managed to open the box itself, you will be able to get a kind of better look inside the fiber optic splicing, and we will be able to rotate the box as well to show you guys kind of the easier kind of the splicing and the wires inside. So if you were to kind of be using this box in field, this is to kind of secure the box itself with all the splices inside, but obviously we will be undoing that to kind of use it to kind of show you guys a better introduction of the box. So again, you need to unscrew the box inside. I think it should be already a little bit loose, but you should be able to take it apart. Yeah. So as you can see here, if we did kind of look around underneath the this is where the kind of uncut wires are. Obviously pre-installing the box there would be cut and uncut wires, so you would need to cut one wire and you would put the uncut wires around the outside behind the fiber optic splicing box here as well. So as you can see here, there would be a place for the wires to go, the ones that you have not cut. So in terms of splicing for the box, there are 4 fiber optic splicing trays. So as you're going through, you just kind of open them up from the hinge here, and there is kind of multiple fiber optic splicing sections. So there are 4 trays, and here's kind of a better look for customers as well. You can see that we have kind of already installed and spliced some wires that are ready to be used in field and for kind of outdoor applications. So if you were looking for an FTTX kind of solution, this is kind of what it would look like in field, just to give you a general idea of how you kind of think it would look as it's being used in a full application. So we have managed to put some cut wires inside the splicing trays, and we do have some splices as well within the middle of the box. So as I just kind of move that one up, I think this one, yeah, this one is empty, which is kind of actually good for the video. As you can see, and we do hold kind of 16 splicing options within the box itself. So this is a larger scale, like a medium to larger scale fiber optic splicing closure, as it does hold 16 splices. So if you are going to be using this, you can use it kind of for larger projects, maybe FTTH solutions, or kind of larger scale kind of street applications, or kind of outdoor or business solutions as well. So it is a relatively large box, but it is also very lightweight when you are using it. So it's durable and large enough to be used for kind of bigger kind of projects and outdoor applications for kind of FTTX. However, it is kind of lightweight and very simple to install as well if you are going through the specifications. So as you can see here, just kind of there's the 16 splicing options in the middle of the box, and this would be the uncut wires going around the outside of it. I don't know any more details.
Okay.